Today, we're thrilled to introduce Illeberg's MC60, a 5.8 GHz, high-frequency, C-band millimeter wave human motion sensor. MC60 can be regarded as a body-activated wireless switch. It analyzes 5.8 GHz HF microwave return signals via on-chip optimized algorithms to detect human movement, thereby controlling the state of 220 VAC electrical appliances such as lighting fixtures and exhaust fans. Auto on when triggered. Auto off when empty. Achieving maximum energy savings. Unlike traditional sensors, the MC60's active microwave detection makes it immune to temperature changes, ensuring reliable performance in hot or cold environments. Unlike traditional PR sensors, the MC60 requires no Fresnel lens. This gives it a cleaner look and avoids detection issues caused by dust, aging, or insect interference. Its high-frequency microwave technology can penetrate non-metallic materials like glass, wood, plastic, and other non-metallic materials, making it ideal for hidden installations or obstructed spaces, like storage rooms, basements, or walk-in closets. But also for semi-outdoor areas heavily influenced by the environment, such as garages, porches, or balconies. The MC60 fully complies with the EU Radio Equipment Directive, RED, to ensure the health and safety of humans and animals, and causes no electromagnetic interference to other electronic devices. Illeberg, make life intelligent.